Welcome back to Mudra classes beta. In this session, I am going to explain you question number 15, 3 column cash book. Okay, right. What is given first line? Cash in hand. So debit side in cash column we have to write as a opening balance. Cash at bank given, debit side bank column we have to write. So cash in hand side cash column, cash at bank side bank column. Cash in hand how much given? 12,500 and 14,800. So 12,500 cash column and 14,800 bank column. So cash in and write in cash column, cash at bank write in bank column. And what is the date given? 2018 June 1st. So debit side 2018 June 1st. Here we have to write to balance brought down, to balance brought down. So cash in and write in cash column and cash at bank write in bank column debit side. See the next transaction. Cash sales. What is given? Next one, cash sale. What is the meaning of cash sale? In business, cash sale means in business I am selling goods and return I am receiving cash. Cash sales means what beta? In business I am selling goods and return I am receiving cash. Business cash sale ante నేను business లో goods అమ్ముతున్నా, cash తీసుకుంటున్నా. So cash is coming in. Debit side we have to write 2 sales 3,000. Date 3rd, 2 sales account, amount 3,000 rupees. Okay, see the next transaction. Purchased goods from Ashok and paid by check. Purchased goods from Ashok and paid by check. So in business I purchased one good and I paid by check. That means cash is going from the business. When I am purchasing goods, return I paid check. That means cash is going from the business. Credit side we have to write by purchase account, by purchase account, amount paid through bank. So write in bank column 7,000 rupees. Okay, not 7,000, 5,000 rupees. Date 7, date is 7 2018 June 7. So amount is 5,000 rupees, not 7,000 rupees. Okay, right. See the next transaction beta. Purchase goods from Ashok and paid by check, 5,000 completed. See the next one. Cash paid into bank. Cash paid into bank. What is this? This is a contra entry. Immediately we have to recognize after seeing the question. Cash paid into bank. Which journal entry we will use here? We will use this journal entry. Bank account debit to cash account. So I will write here down so that you can understand. Here you are unable to see the journal entry there, so I am writing little bit down. So bank account debit to cash account. This is the journal entry. Okay, how much amount we deposited? 1,800. Okay, so debit side 1,800, credit side 1,800. Now how to post this journal entry? That is important. How to post this journal entry? That is important. Okay, so write on debit side bank column 1,800. Write on debit side bank column 1,800. This is the debit side, this is the bank column. I written 1,800. Okay, now close this bank beta. What is opposite to cash? So write down here to cash account. In left column write C and tell me the date. What is the date beta? Whatever date given in the question, that date we have to write here. Date given 10th, so 10th date we have to write. Okay, right. Bank is on debit side, that means cash is on which side? Credit side. So write on credit side cash column 1,800, credit side cash column I written 1,800. Close this cash beta. What is opposite? Bank. Write down here by bank account. In left column you write C. Tell me the date. Date is 10. Okay, see the next transaction. Cash paid to Lakshmi. Cash paid to Lakshmi means business paying cash to Lakshmi. Cash is going from the business. So credit side we have to write by Lakshmi to 1,850 and discount received say 240, right? So by Lakshmi 1,850, discount 240. Okay, next one. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use, it is a contra entry. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use, contra entry. So date 16, withdrawn. So whenever withdrawn said, we use this journal entry, cash account debit to bank account. What is the amount given in the question, beta? 2000. So debit side 2000, credit side 2000. Now this journal entry we have to post in the 3-column cash book. Write on debit side, cash column 2000. So this is the debit side, this is the cash column. I will write 2000. Okay, close this cash, beta. What is opposite to bank? So write down here to bank account. In LF column write C. Tell me the date. What is the date given, beta? 16. Similarly, cash is on debit side, that means bank is on which side? Credit side. So write on credit side, bank column 2000, credit side, bank column. I written 2000. Close this bank. What is opposite? Cash. So write down here by cash account. In LF column write C, date 16. I think Lakshmi date 12. Right. Next one. See the next question. Sold machinery. When we sold machinery, in return we will receive cash. Amount received through Paytm. So cash is coming. Paytm means related to bank. Amount write in bank column. Debit side we have to write machinery and amount write in bank column. Okay. Date 19. Date 19 to machinery account. To machinery account. Okay, amount write in bank column because through received, amount received through Paytm. But how much money we received? 2400. So 2400 write in bank column because amount we received through Paytm after selling the machinery. Next one, advertisement expenses. In TV, one advertisement given, for that we paid expenses. In TV, one advertisement given, and for that we paid expenses. So cash is going from the business. Credit side you have to write by advertisement. By advertisement. Okay, how much amount, beta? Advertisement 150. So write here 150 in cash column. Whatever date given, the date you have to write 25th. Date 25. Okay, see the next transaction. Received check from Vishnu 1980 and discount allowed, and Vishnu check deposited to bank. Received check from Vishnu. Received check from Vishnu. Business received one check from Vishnu. Business received one check from Vishnu. That means cash is coming into business. Debit side we have to write to Vishnu, and the same day we deposited in the bank. So amount we write in bank column. So debit side Vishnu, in bank column we have to write that amount. Date 28 to Vishnu account. Amount write in bank column. I think 2800 something is there. So 1980, beta. 1980 and 120. So 1980 and discount, how much discount? 120. Discount right 120. Okay, so see the next transaction. Salary is paid by check. Salary is paid by check. So cash is going from the business. Credit side we have to write by salaries and amount through paid check. So amount write in bank column. Credit side by salaries. Credit side by salaries. Amount write in bank column, Nana. Amount write in bank column 3280. 3280. Okay, and date 30. So with this, all transactions completed in this problem. Now we have to close the account. First of all, do debit side total. Debit side cash column total 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 2 17. Debit side total 17,500. Now do the credit side cash column total 18 18 3,600 3,600 3,800. So 3,800. In these two, debit is big amount. So both sides write that big amount. 17,500 17,500. Okay, now do minus beta from big amount to small amount. 0 0 0 0. 15 minus 8, how much beta? 0 0. Next 15 minus 8, 5 minus 8 we cannot do. 15 minus 8, 7. Okay, 6 minus 3, 3. So 13,700 right on credit side. So 13,700 right on credit side. Okay, right. Similarly, this is called closing balance by balance carried down, and whatever date given, the date we have to write. Last date in the month June 30. Okay, see the next bank also we have to close now. Debit side bank column do total 14,800, 14,800 plus 800, 15,600, 16,600, 18,600, 19,000, 20,980. Debit side total 20,980. Now do credit side total. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10,280. Okay, in these two debit is big amount, so both sides write that big amount. 20,980, 20,980. Now do minus from big amount to small amount. 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 9 minus 2, 7, 0, 1. So 10,700 right on credit side. Okay, already in previous class I told you discount column just will do total, we will not do balancing. So 240. Now with this problem is completed. This closing balance next month we write as a opening balance. What is the cash balance here? 13,700. What is the bank balance here? 10,700. Okay, this one will write as a opening balance to balance brought down. Date 2018 July 1st. June after next month is July 1st. Okay, so like this we have to do the problem, Nana. Okay, with this I am going to close this session. Thank you.